Hello everyone, this is Rahman. In this video, I'm going to explain question number 15 till question number 26. Question number 24 of the paper O-Level Mathematics Syllabus D 4024, Paper 1, Variant 2, May June 2023. In this paper, you should know not use calculator because calculator is not allowed in the paper. I have discussed question number 1 till 15 in the previous video, so you can watch the previous video in which I have discussed question number 1 till 14. Sorry, not 15, 14. Now, this is question number 15 here. In this question, three lines and a shaded region are shown on a 1 centimeter square grid. So, this is a square grid here, and shaded region and three lines are there, and find the three inequalities that define the shaded region. So first you should know the what is the rule of to write inequalities if shaded region is given here. So rule number one is note here. If shaded region below the line if shaded region below the line replace less than or less than equal to sign, uh, replace equal to sign with less than or less than equal to sign, right? So rule number two is if shaded region above the line replace equal to sign with greater than or greater than equal to sign, right? And be careful, this sign with this inequality without equal to sign for dotted line or broken line, and this sign for solid line with equal to sign is our solid line, right? So now start working here. First, you should in this question find the three inequalities that define the shaded regions. You should know the equations of each line. There are three lines here. Number one, two, and the three lines, right? Out of three lines, two equations are given here. X equals to 2y, y equals to 2x minus 1, and x plus y is equal to 5. There are two equation, and this equation is for this line. This is the line which have equation y equal to 2x minus 1, and the shaded region, the gray region is the shaded region here. Shaded region is, below the line. So what will you do? You have to replace equal to sign with less than or less than equal to sign. Y is less than equal to 2x minus 1 is the inequality for this, right? Now, answer number one here, and x plus y equals to 5, and this is the line which have the equation x plus y equal to 5, and the shaded region is below this line. So for this line we have to write x plus y, we have to replace equal to sign with lesser than or equal to. So x plus y lesser than equal to 5. This is another answer here. Now Third equation, the shaded region bounded with the third line, the equation of this line is, y is equal to minus 2. So y equals to minus 2, and equation of this line is y is equal to minus 2. Equation of this line, and the shaded region is above the line, so we have to replace equal to sign with greater than equal to sign. So I'm going to write y greater than minus equal to minus 2 is the third answer. So, so these are the three inequalities, 1, 2, and 3 inequalities. And don't forget to write answer in the answer space. So writing answer in the answer space here. First inequality was x plus y less than equals to 5. Second is y less than equals to 2x minus 1. And third is y is greater than equals to minus 2. Now another region R is defined by the three inequalities x plus y lesser than equal to 5, y is greater than equal to 2x minus 1, and x is greater than equal to 1. So in this diagram, you should know we have to recognize first the region R here, R, and after recognition, we have to find the area of the region R. So first recognize where is the region R. Region R is in the line x plus y less than equal to 5. Okay, x plus y less than equal to 5 is the line here. This is the line x plus y less than equal to 5. So region R is under the or below this line x plus y equals to 5, right? So the third line, the second is y is greater than equal to 2x minus 1. It means this is y equal to greater than 2x minus 1. So the region will be y is greater than 2x minus 1, the above the region here R, and x is greater than equal to minus 1. X is greater than equal to minus 1. X is greater than equal to 1. So this line is x equal to 1 line here, x equal to 1 line here. This is x equal to 1 line 1 here. I'm going to change the pen. Now x equal to 1 line is this, and the region R is so x plus y, x is greater than equal to 1. This line is x is greater than equal to 1, and the region R, so greater than equal to 1 means region R lies on the right side here. So this is the region R, and the region R is basically, it is a triangle. Region R is a triangle, and this triangle have 3. This side is 3, which is base, and the height is h equals to 1. So this is the region R because it is under x plus y lesser than equal to 5. So under this line, and y greater than equal to 2x minus 1 above this line, and x greater than equal to 1. So this side, right side, greater than 1 values here. So we have recognized region R, and after recognition, you have to find the area of the region R. So region R was a triangle. I have drawn above, this was a triangle with side 3. Base is 3 here, base is 3, and the perpendicular height was 1. So area of region R will be half region R, since region R is a triangle. So half into base into height is the area of triangle. 1 over 2 times base is 3, height is 1. So 3 over 2, or centimeter square, 3 over 2 you can say, or 1.5. Both answer will be correct. We can write 1.5 or 3.3 upon 2. Now move on. Next part. Now in this question, This is this the question number 16. The diagram shows the speed time graph for part of a car journey here. So speed time graph, and in the speed time graph, calculate the distance traveled in the 150 second. Distance traveled in the 150 second. So it means you have to find all the distance in the 150 second. So what is the distance in a speed time graph? Speed time, the distance is the area under the graph. Distance is the area under graph. So you should know which type of you know geometrical shape here. So there is a one rectangle and one trapezium. This is our trapezium. So to find the distance, we have to find the area of trapezium and area of rectangle. Recall area of trapezium. To find area of trapezium, this is this is suppose this is A is equals to 100. Sorry, this is height because it is the distance in between the parallel sides. It is height is equal to 100, and this length is for trapezium. This length is, suppose this is A, which is 14, and this length is 20, which is B. So area of trapezium, and for this is a trapezium, we have to apply the area of trapezium to find distance and area of rectangle. To find area of rectangle, this is length, L equals to 50, and the width equals to 14. So now write down the formula. Distance equals to area of trapezium plus area of, this is rectangle. So area of trapezium formula is half times height times A plus B, and plus area of rectangle is length times width. But you should know that don't write formula in the examination because it's wasted of time. Just put the correct value in the correct place. So now 1/2 height is 100, multiply by 100 times A is 14 plus B plus B, the value of B is 20 here. So going to write 20, and length into width. Length is 50, so 50 times width is 14. Now this is paper one. Don't use calculator. Just how to simplify these values. 2 on the 2, 2 5s are 10, 100 here, and 14 plus 20 is 34. It is basically it is it is better. Yeah, so don't cancel 100. It's better. Just don't cancel the 100. Just multiply by 100. Okay. To save your time, calculate mentally. First, simplify bracket. 14 plus 20, 34 into 100. 34 into 100 is 3400 upon 2, and plus 50, 14, 5s are 70. So 45 is 70. 14, 5 is 70, and now it will be 70, and this 0, 700. So 700 to 1 the 2, 217 is the 34, 0, 0. 700 plus 1700 plus 700 is 2400 is the answer. Now move on question number 17. Question number 17, f of x f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x, g of x equals to x minus 4. This is the topic from function here, and you have to find f inverse of x. So it's recall steps to find f inverse. Steps to find f inverse. F of x equals to 2 minus 3x. Now the step number 1. Replace f of x with y. F of x with y. So it replacing y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Now make step number 2. Make x as a subject. You can make x as a subject mentally. So 3x, we shift 3x here. It is 3x, y here. So it is 2 minus y. 2 minus y over 3. This is x is a subject. Now step number 3, replace x with f inverse y. So going to write f inverse y. Now change domain because we have to find f inverse x. So replace y with x both sides. So it will be, if we are going to replace this y with x, this y with this x, and this y is also with x. So we get 2 minus x over 3. Now move on second part. Now question number 17, part B. In this question, you have to solve f of x plus 5 equals to 3 times of g of x. This is an equation is given here, and we have to solve this. So in this equation, f of x plus 5, first find out f of x plus 5. So going to find f of x plus 5 with the help of the function f of x. So replace x, this x, replace this x with f of with x plus 5, and this x with x plus 5. So x plus 5 here. F times x plus 5 equals to, replace this x with x plus 5. So 2 minus 3 times of x plus 5. Now we have f of x plus 5, which is 2 minus 3 times of x plus 5. So going to write 2 minus 3 times of x plus 5 equals to 3 times of g of x. So use g of x function, g of x. For this, g of x here. So 3 times of g of x will be, we multiply by g of x by 3. So we have to multiply on right side by 3. Now it will be 3x minus 12. 3x minus 12. So this 3x minus 12, copy this 3x minus 12 in the place of 3 times of g of x. Now we get 2 minus 3x plus 10. Minus 15, not plus. 2 minus 3x minus 15. So, and 3x minus 12 here. So for solving all variables on same side, 3x plus 3x, because we are going to shift this 2 minus 15. 2 minus 15 is minus 13, and we are going to shift minus 12 here. It will be plus 12. So 12 minus 13. Minus 13 and plus 12 will be minus 1. This minus 1, and this is 6x. So x equals to minus 1 upon 6. Okay. If you write minus 1 upon 6, it will be okay, or minus 1 over 6, it is also okay, or 1 over minus 6. Okay. Now, move on next part. Next question there. This is the question number 18. This is question number 18 from the topic matrices. So part A, read carefully the part A. Find how many more candles are in a large gift bag than in a small gift bag. There are two bags here, gift bags here, a small bag and a large gift bag. So read question. John sells gift bags containing soaps and candles. Matrix C shows the contents of a large gift bag and a small gift bag. So in the large gift bag, in the large gift bags, there are six soap and four candles. In the small gift bag, there is one candle and two soaps here. And we have to find out how many more candles. How many more candles? So we have to find a difference between large gift bag and a small gift bag of candles. So it will be 4 minus 1 is 3. In the large gift bag, this is the large gift bag. 4, and this is small gift bag. 4 candles in the large gift bag and 1 candle in the small gift bag. So 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 more candles. 3 more candles here. Now in part B, the mass of a soap is 120 gram and the mass of a candle is 60 grams. Matrix M represents this information. This is the mass of candle, soap and candle. The 120 represents mass of soap and this represents mass of candle. N equals to C multiplied by M, find the matrix N. So N equal to C time N is the equation is given here. Put the matrix in the correct place, the matrix C. Matrix C, look at matrix C. Matrix C is what? Matrix C is 6, 4, 2, 1. So going to write 6, 4, 2, 1 here. 6, 4, 2, 1. Matrix M is 120, 60. So to find matrix N, find out the product. And the product, to find product, draw guidelines, guided arrow like this. And tail multiplied by tail, then head multiplied by head. So we get 6 tail multiplied by tail, we get 6 times 120 plus head multiplied by head, 4 times 60, then 2 multiplied by 120 plus head multiplied by head, 1 times 60. So matrix N will be 12 6 720, 240 for 120, 240 again, and 60 plus sign. Now the matrix N will be 720 plus 240 is 720 plus 240 is 960 and 240 plus 60 is 300. So 960, 300 is the N. Now explain what each element in the matrix N represent. So matrix N, so this is the, quantity multiplied by mass. So quantity multiplied by mass, it means we get large mass, mass of large bag. This is mass of large bag, mass of large bag, and this represent mass of small bag. So don't forget to write answer in the answer space. Mass of large bag, which is 960 gram, and mass of a small bag, which is 300 gram. Now move on question number 19. Yes, this is a question. This is question number 19, and I have explained in the video lesson how to shade the correct region in the set and Venn diagram. So you can watch my video for for shading. Now start question number 19, part A. In the Venn diagram, shade the region represented by A intersection B complement union B intersection C complement, and this is the diagram. So first step is you should know you should put dummy number in all areas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Write assume number. You have to assume some number and put in the area, each area. So now one by one find out. First find out all the sets. This is there are three types of sets: A, B complement, B, and C complement. Four types of sets. So set A, set in the set A. Set A is 1, 3, 4, 5. Now B complement means set B complement means B complement. B complement is except B. Except B means we have to write 4, 5, 6, and 8. 4, 5, 6, and 8. Now A intersection B complement and A intersection B complement. What is common here? Common part is 4. Intersection means common. Intersection means to take common here. 4 and 5 are common. 4 and 5. Now find out B intersection C complement. So B, set B, set B, find out set B. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 7. C complement means except C, other than C. C complement other than C is 3, 5, 7, and 8. So B intersection, again intersection, intersection means common. So common is 3 and 7. Now find out the union of this set. So union of this set will be if you find the union means all common and uncommon. So 3, 4, 5, and 7. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So 3, 4, 5, 7 are the elements for this set. So 3, 4, 5, 7 shade the region, and but before shading, remove all numbers from each area. 3, 4, 5, 7 was 3, 4, 5, 7 was this was a 3. 4 and 5, 7, these area. Shade these regions. 3, 4, 5, and 7. So now part B. In part B, so going to explain part B here. First, I'm going to remove all the working from this part. Now in part B, one morning, 50 people visit a library, 35 of them borrow a book. Okay, there are two cases, only and not only. It is without only here, only 35. 35 means we have to draw a 35, draw circle, 12 of them use a computer, 8 of them do not borrow a book and do not use a computer. Use a Venn diagram or otherwise find the number of people who use a computer but don't borrow a book. So suppose, right, going to draw the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram here. Book and computer. So 35 of them borrow a book, and this is the whole region is 35. The whole circle is 35. 12 of them use a computer, so the whole circle is 12. 8 of them do not borrow a book and do not use a computer. It is beyond the circle, so going to write 8 here. Now, use a Venn diagram, find the number of people who use a computer but do not borrow a book. Use a computer but do not borrow a book. This is the region. Let's suppose this is X. X. X is the number of people who use computer but do not borrow a book, which is X. Now the complete circle for computer is 12. Of them use a computer. It means complete circle is 12. So we have to find out this part. What is the part here? So question mark plus X equals to 12 for computer. So question mark will be 12 minus X. So going to write 12 minus X. Now, the whole circle represent books, which is 35. 35 books. So going to, wait a minute, please. Wait a minute. Wait, please. Now, it is, books are 35 here and going to find the area of this area. So question mark plus 12 minus X equals to 35. So we get question mark will be 35 minus 12 minus X. So it is 35 minus 12 minus X. Now the total, how many total people? There are 50 people here. So there are 50 people here. So it means the whole rectangle is equals to 50. So going to write solving. Now going to write equation 35 minus 12 minus X plus 12 minus X plus X equals to plus 8 is equal to 50. So plus 12 minus X and minus 12 minus X will be cancelled out. So 35 plus X plus 8 equals to 50. So X equals to 50 minus 8 minus 35, which is 7. Now move on to question number 20. In the question number 20, expand and simplify. Expand means we have to find the product of these two matrices, these two brackets. So to find the bracket product, just write down the format first. 4x times 2x plus 5y Now take second value with second bracket. So rule is first term with second bracket, second term with second bracket. Now expand for 8x square plus 5 for the 20xy minus 2xy minus plus minus 5y square. Now answer will be 8x square plus 18xy minus 5y square. So 8x square plus 18xy minus 5y square is the answer. Now in part B, simplify this bracket. This is from the topic indices. So the rule is powers multiply by powers. Okay. And 2 over 3 applying the whole 12, applying in 12x and 8. So power multiply by power and add raised to power 2 over 3. Going to write x raised to power 12 times 2 over 3 over 8 over 2 over 3. So 3 on the 3, 3 for the 12, x raised to power 8 over 8 raised to power 2 over 3, and we can write, it is better, don't write 8, write 2 raised to power cube. 8 is 2 raised to power cube. 8 equals to 2 raised to power cube. 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 on the 2. 8 equals to 2 raised to power cube. So power multiply power, 3 on the 3 and cancel out. So it will be x raised to power 8 divided by 2 square means x 8 over 4. Or you can write 1 over 4 x 8. Now question number 21. In question number 21, solve 5x over x minus 3 equals to x plus 4. So the technique is 5x over x minus 3 is a fraction, x plus 4 over 1 is also a fraction. Then cross multiply. Cross multiply. So 5x over x minus 3 is equal to x plus 4 over 1. X plus 4 over 1. Now cross multiplication. So 5x equals to x minus 3 times x plus 4. Now multiply. After expanding, x time of x minus, so the technique is x times x, 4. It will be x square plus 4x, then minus 3x, and then minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 12. So it will be 5x, x square plus x minus 12. Now shift all in this side, so it will be, we get x square plus x minus 5x minus 12 equals to 0 here. X square minus 4x minus 12 to 0. Now it is x square minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Now to solve this, it is, paper 1, you can factorize. And to factorize, how to factorize this quadratic equation, I have made a lesson video, 4 or 5 lesson video, how to factorize a quadratic equation. So please don't forget to watch this video, these videos. Now to 12 here. So 12 and we required 4. So 1, 12, the 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 plus 1 is 13. That is not suitable. 2, 6 are 12. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, it is. And 6 plus 2 is 8. But 6 minus 2 is feasible for this, for breaking middle term here. So going to write x square. This sign is copy minus. And 6 and 2, I'm going to take these pairs. 6, 2 minus 6x. Then we are going to subtract. So change the sign. Plus 2x minus 12 equals to 0. Take common x, common here, x is common. So it will be x minus 6 plus 2 is common here, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 times x plus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 6 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. We get x equal to 6 and x equals to minus 2. 6 and minus 2. Or now question number 20. Yes, this is question number 22 or from this paper. Y is directly proportional to W square, X is inversely proportional to W. So this is, there are two two variations are involved here. So Y is directly proportional to X square means, we can write Y equals to, so let's suppose K W square, but it is and Y is inversely proportional to W. We can write like sorry, X is inversely proportional to, so X is wait a minute, please. Right. So we can say X is equals to K over W. But be careful. There is two variations here, inversely and directly. So assume this constant is K1 and this constant is K2, right? Constant are not same in the both proportionals. So when W equal to 10, Y equal to 5, and X equal to 0.4, find Y in terms of X. Give your answer in its simplest form. So in this question, we have to find Y in terms of X. What will we do? We are going to take both equations, equation number 1 and 2, which is K1 W square and X equals to K2 W. So with the help of X and Y, find out K1. With the help of W and Y, W and Y, find out K1. So W and Y, W is 10 and Y equals to 5. 5 K1 times W is 10, 10 is square, is K1. So K1 will be 5 over 100. 10 is square, 10 is square is 100. 5 over 100 means K1 will be 1 over 20 is K1. Now find out K2 with the help of X and W. The value of X is 0.4, 0.4 K2 over W is 10. So 0.4 times 10 equals to K2. Don't use calculator when you multiply by 10. Shift decimal here, it will be 4. K2 is 4 here. Now, to find y in terms of, so in this question, we have to find y in terms of x. So what will we do? Put the values of K1 and K2 in the original equations. Equation number, suppose 1 and equation number 2. Now, putting K1 equals to 1 over 20 and W, okay, W equals to W, find out W. K1 equal to 1 over 20 and find out W, which is 4 over X. X equal to 4 over X. So, what to find W here from this side? Now, it will be W equals to K square, K2 upon X. And W equals to K2 is 4 over X. So, W is 4 over X. Putting K1 equals to 1 over 20 and W 4 over X in equation number 1. This was equation number 1. So, equation number 1 is y equals to K1 W square. So, y equals to K1 is 1 over 20 into W, this was W, this is W, so 4 over X whole square. No, we get 4 square is 16, on the 16 over 2x square. Okay, just I'm showing steps here for you. Otherwise, you can write it mentally. So it will be 8 over, it will be, K1 was 20 here, so 20. 16 over 20 is 4 over 5, 16 over 25, 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20. Now 4 over 5 x square is the final answer for this part. This is very important question. This was very important question because there is a new concept and dealing two variations here. So, right, mark very important question here. Need more practice. Now, question number 23. In this question, this is the topic from probability. Now, the question number 23, there are 10 cards in a set. Each card shows either a square or a triangle. Every shape on each card is either green or red. The table shows the number of cards of each type. So there is a table here, square, triangle, green, red. So there are two types of shapes, square and triangle. Ken takes a card random from the set, notes the color and replace it. Replace means you have to put again. He then takes a second card and random from the set, notes the color and replaces it also. Now, so this is replacement case here, the part 1. Part A, find the probability that both cards show a green shape. So suppose this is the bag here and question is for a green or green color. So there are, how many greens are there? There are 7 greens and 3 red. So total cards are 10. 10 cards are there. So going to find probability of both the cards. So if we take first green, probability of both green and green. First card is green and also green. So getting a probability of green card is 7 over 10 for first card, 7 over 10. Now put green again on the box. So total is completed, which is 10 also. Now for second, and means multiply, and is the keyword, and means multiply. So again, going to find the probability of second green one, second green also 7 over 10. We get 49 over 100. This is the 49 over 100, or you can write 0.49, or you can write 0.49, or you can write 49%. So 49 over 100 or 0.49 or 49%. Now, Elena takes two cards at random from the set of 10 without replacement. Now, part B. Part B is a case for without replacement. When without replacement, denominator must be one denominator must not be taken here. Denominator will be less. Now, find the probability that both cards show the same shape. Now it is for the card for shapes. So look at the original chart here. Shape. There are two shapes: square and triangle. Square and triangle. And this is about shapes, not color. Square and triangle. So how many squares are there? Square. There are 4 square shape and triangle. And there are 6 triangle shapes here. Total is 10. So it is recommended that construct tree diagram. Even requirement is not here for tree diagram, but it will be easy to solve this question. So draw tree diagram for this part. Both cards, suppose card 1, card 2, and shapes. They are about shapes for. So card 1, suppose card 1 is square shape, skew square. Card 2 is for triangle shapes. Then square shape, then triangular shape, again square shape, then triangular shape. Now, writing probability in this diagram. So suppose going to take the bag which have 4 square and 6 triangle. Now if we get square, so probability will be 1 square, the probability will be 4 over 10. 10 is the total. Probability is 4 over 10 for this square. Now, for this part, when we are picking the second square, now it is not, it is a without replacement case, not replace this. So this is 3 square here and 6 triangle. So the probability will be 3 over 9. And in this question, we have to find the probability that both cards show the same shape. So the outcome will be, we can write the outcome is square and square. We required and triangle and triangle and triangle. So no need for this part. No need for this part, right? We need square and square probability and triangle probability. So now going to find the triangle probability for the triangle. So 6 over 10 for this part. And if we put back here starting point, now one triangle is not here, so 5 triangle and 4 square. So for this triangle, we can write 5 over 9. Now, finding the probability for the both cards are same shape. Both cards are same shape. So to find the same shapes, we can write property of square and square plus property of triangle and triangle. So property of square and square is 4 over 10 times 3 over 9 is 10. Plus property of triangle and triangle, 4 to property of triangle and triangle, 6 over 10 times 5 over 9. So we get 12 over 90 plus 30 over 90. So it will be 42 over 90 here. And after reducing this part, we can write it in simplest form, 42 divided by 90. 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. Or you can reduce with 3 over table 3. So 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12, 14 here, 14 over 30, 3 3 the 9 and 0. Again 2 7 the 14, 2 15 the 30. 7 over 15 is the final answer. Okay. Now the next part. Next question is, okay, now question number 24, A is the point 311, 311 and B is the point -5, comma -5. The equation of line L is 2y plus x equal to 5. Show that line L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. We have to show line L is a perpendicular bisector of AB. For that, you should know how to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. So in this part, going to find out the equation of perpendicular bisector, and suppose this is point A, this is point B, and this is the line, and we have to show this line L. This is line L. Line L is the perpendicular bisector. So what will you do? You have to find midpoint first. I'm going to write steps to find equation of perpendicular bisector or line bisector. So note down, please. First step is find out step number 1. Steps to find perpendicular bisector. Number 1, find out midpoint of AB. So to find midpoint of AB, recall the formula. Midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 is 3 minus 5. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So 3 minus 5 divided by 11 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Now y1 plus y2, comma, y1 plus y2 means 11 minus 5 divided by 2. So the answer will be minus 1 comma 3 is the midpoint. Now second step is find the gradient of AB. So gradient of AB, M of AB will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the gradient of AB will be minus 5 minus 11 divided by minus 5 minus 3. It will be minus 16 over minus 8 will be 2. Third part is gradient of L, perpendicular bisector. Third step. Find gradient of L. L is what? L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So the gradient of L will be the negative reciprocal of AB. So M of L will be minus 1 over 2. Now finding equation of L, the perpendicular bisector. Right. To find this, use y equal to mx plus c. So we have to find c with the y is equal to mx plus c, and the point m of L will be m of L. M of L is given here, which is minus 1 over 2, and the midpoint is using with midpoint. Midpoint was minus 1 comma 3. Put these here. So y is 3. M of L is minus 1 over 2 x plus c. X is minus 1, sorry. Minus 1 over 2 times minus 1. Minus 1 over 2 times minus 1. So it will be 1 over 2 plus c equals to 3. C equal to 3 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 5 over 2. So we have C here, 5 over 2 here, C. Now equation of perpendicular bisector will be L, perpendicular bisector, will be y equals to mx plus c. ml, put the gradient, which is minus 1 over 2x plus c is 5 over 2 y. Now after simplification we get 2 is LCM here, minus x plus 5 equals to y. Now 2y equals to minus x plus 5, or we can say 2y plus x equal to 5. Okay, now 2y, sorry, now y equal to minus x plus 5 over 2, and then 2 here to multiply with y, 2y equals to minus x plus 5. So we get 2y plus x equals to 5. So you have to show this 2y plus x equal to 5 is the equation of line of L. So this is our answer shown. So thank you very much. I hope you understood how to solve this paper. So thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.